Hey there, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the brain, our body's command center, and exploring what happens when it faces trauma or injury. Think of the brain as a bustling city protected by a delicate barrier, the blood-brain barrier, that keeps unwanted visitors out and maintains a cozy environment. But sometimes trouble strikes like a traumatic brain injury, which can shake things up quite a bit. When the brain gets hurt, it responds with an inflammatory response, kind of like a citywide alarm system going off. This involves cellular components such as microglia and astrocytes, the brain's resident immune cells. Microglia act like vigilant patrols, quickly activating to identify damage, while astrocytes, with their honeycomb-like structure, step in to support and repair. These glial cells get activated, releasing immune mediators like cytokines, which are little signaling molecules that tell cells what to do. Some cytokines promote inflammation. Think of them as disease emergency workers, like tumor necrosis factor alpha and archetypal pro-inflammatory cytokines. Others are anti-inflammatory, working to calm things down and promote healing. Chemokines, a special type of cytokines, act as chemoattractants, guiding immune cells like monocytes and T cells to the injury site through molecular cascades and signaling pathways. As part of the response, blood vessels may become leaky, leading to vascular leakage, edema, and even hemorrhages. This can cause increased intracranial pressure and decreased cerebral perfusion pressure, which aren't great news for brain health. The injury can also cause hypoxia, meaning oxygen deprivation, and oxidative stress, producing reactive oxygen species that further damage cells. In the damaged tissue, neurons and axonal fiber may suffer from excitotoxicity, overactivation of receptors by excess neurotransmitters, leading to junction disruption and shedding injuries, especially in white and gray matter. The neurovascular unit, including the neuron axonal unit, gets compromised with molecular cascades involving proteases and breakdown products like alpha-2 spectrum breakdown, signaling the extent of damage. The brain also tries to heal itself through neurogenesis, forming new neurons, and angiogenesis, creating new blood vessels. However, scarring can occur, forming a glial scar that helps contain damage but may hinder regeneration. Sometimes lesions develop in the brain, parenchyma, and the glial limitans, another protective barrier, can become disrupted. Diagnostic techniques such as imaging and measuring intracranial pressure help doctors assess the extent of injury. Surgical interventions might be necessary to alleviate pressure or repair damaged tissue. Meanwhile, the choroid plexus produces cerebrospinal fluid to cushion and clear waste, and meningeal blood vessels produced by the blood supply. In the aftermath, key biomarkers like GFAP expression and the presence of the alpha-2 spectrum breakdown product help us understand the injury severity. All of this underscores how complex and dynamic the brain's response to injury is, finely tuned balance between damage control and healing. Now remember, understanding these processes helps scientists and doctors develop better prevention measures, diagnostic tools, and treatments to keep our brains healthy and happy.